Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, now silver is trading at a level of $24.190 and I've already explained you that there are higher chances that we can see a further upside movement. Okay, because what we have seen, the dollar index is moving down. Okay, and what you can see that there is a probability that as the dollar moves down we can see a probability of going price of silver and gold upside. I have explained that dollar index in my gold video, you can check that. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend of silver, what we can see, there is a higher chances because there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is after July of 2023, so chances will be higher that we can see it will go further upside and a probability of going towards 24.700 also we can see, and then from there a further upside movement we can see. First you have to understand here is that this is how the silver has moved. Okay, since previous years or few months back, because you have to understand, if see some silver prices are moving this way, so probability of moving for rest of the year or rest of the month will be on a higher chances. So you have to understand how it is. See, it mostly moves in a range. As soon as range breaks, that is where a downfall comes. See, if you look at this range also, we have seen a fall as well as a rise also we have seen. So this is how the silver prices are moving. After pandemic, there is a continuous rise we have seen in most of the commodities and even stocks. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, this is the range where the price of silver is moving for so long. So as soon as this range breaks, a range high is around $25.9. Okay, and chances will be high that as soon as it comes close to this level, we can see further upside. There is a clear pattern forming if you look at this particular trend, that if the price keeps sustaining above a level of $24.5, we can see a further upside movement. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will cross a level of around $24.20. Okay, and if the price started going above that level, a further upside movement we can see towards $24.522. This $24.522 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and yes, a probability of going further high we can see towards a level of 24.785. Okay, and if the price started going above 24.785, a further upside we can see towards $25.260. Okay, and if it started going above that 25.260, a further upside we can see towards a level of $25.523. Okay, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of around $26 also. Keep that in mind. As soon as it touches a level of 26, a further upside movement we can see, because this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go further upside. Okay, and chances will be higher that we can see it will move further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID also in the description. Now understand something. As I have explained you that market is uncertain. Okay, market is uncertain. So what I have explained you, suppose if the price form a swing, because you have to understand that the market will not move as per you. You have to look at the market where it is going. See, this is in the range, but if you look at from the month of October, there is a continuous upside, and there is now a clear pattern is also forming. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of $23, a further downfall we can see, because then a pattern towards a downfall we can see, but now the pattern is on the upside. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, I have already explained you that the price can go further high, and yes, a probability of going further upside is there. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards its next support at a level of around $23.821, which is a strong support. So once the price started falling below this particular zone, chances of touching a level of 23.167 is there, 617 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $23.236. Okay, and if the price started falling below $23.26, a further fall we can see towards a level of 22.964, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 22.465. This 22.465 is already being a weak support, so chances are higher we can see it will fall further down and it will touch a level of 22.157, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $21.819. Okay, again I repeat, see there is a opposite U pattern is forming and chances will be high that we can see it will fall further down towards a level of $24, from there a level of around 24.752. If it started going below this level, we can see a level of $23.570 to a level of 23.250. If the price started moving below this level, chances of touching a level 22.926 we can see, and from there a probability of moving below a level of 22.515. When it started going below this level, we can see it will cross a level of $22 and then a further fall we can see in the price of silver. I'll make another video if the price fall below $22. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.